In order to secure your company's long-term success, it is necessary to bind your most important assets in the long term by responding to the ambitions of your employees and sketching a possible career path together. Manage different talent pools such as integrated proposal management, including employment recommendations by executives or HR managers. With the help of this effective and easy-to-use tool, you can categorize your talents in quadrants of a flexibly adaptable matrix. It is just as important to carry out succession planning for key positions. Determine this via an intuitive interface. A stored risk of employees leaving and information about the end of an employment due to retirement or other reasons support you in maintaining the defined positions. Forward-looking succession management secures skilled employees of tomorrow. In the simulation mode, you play through possible changes and receive ideas for organizational development. Effects are visible down to the smallest detail using the domino effect. With the rexx suite, you can respond efficiently and clearly to the wishes of your employees, accompany them on their way, and thus bind them to your company.